For more on the Treasury Secretary's trip to the Middle East, we are joined again by Fadel Gheit, a managing director and senior oil and gas analyst at Oppenheimer and Company. Thanks very much for being with us again. I want to start right away by asking you, Geithner's trip to the Middle East seems largely aimed at keeping those countries investing their oil profits in the U.S. So how important are those investments to the U.S. economy?
It's very important. They are one of the largest holder of our, Treasury paper. So they hold a huge amount of dollar denomination. They are investing in physical assets. So they are definitely a very big factor, and we need them on our side.
What is it that Secretary Geithner is likely to tell them that will convince them that America remains the best place to put their money?
Well, a couple of things. One, there has been a lot of pressure on OPEC to try to move oil out of the dollar denomination, if you will. A lot of people are saying let's have an international currency, including the euro and the Swiss franc and so forth. But the Saudis have been adamantly against any move to de-link, if you will, dollar and oil. This is something that has been going on for many years. The Iranians, the Venezuelans, the Russians even, and the Chinese, they wanted to separate the dollar from oil pricing. I don't think it will work. I do still believe that the OPEC countries in the Middle East will have tremendous impact. When the Saudis decide on something, that's what will take place.
How important is it to stabilize the price of oil, say, to the worldwide economic recovery?
It's very important. The bubble that was created by the financial speculator last year really did not do us any good. It hurt us in the long term, and it also hurt investment in the oil industry. A lot of companies are waiting for oil prices to stabilize to see whether we have $30 oil going forward or $150 going forward. So it was not a good move to create a bubble and really destroy the market as we have known them for many, many years.
So it would seem that the Saudis are very much interested in stabilizing the price. They aren't necessarily looking to charge whatever the market will bear.
Well, correct, but it's not in their very long-term interest to see $100 oil, and they are not interested in seeing a $30 oil. So they are saying now that the fair oil price should be about $75. So my view here is that oil prices will probably be between 50 and 70 in the next few months. And unless the global economy picks up steam, I think oil prices could go lower, much lower.
Fadel Gheit with some optimistic news. Thank you very much.
Thank you.